In this video, you'll learn how to effectively add and delete items from your eBay watch list. This process allows you to keep track of products you are interested in and helps in monitoring their prices and auction endings. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, browse through the various products available on the site. When you find an item you wish to keep an eye on, locate the button labeled Add to Watch List on the product listing page. After you click this button, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the item has been successfully added to your watch list. Next, to view your watch list, navigate to the My eBay section, which is usually located in the upper right corner of the eBay homepage. Click on it and then select Watch List from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where all your saved items are displayed. Regularly reviewing this list allows you to monitor price changes, check for discounts, and compare seller ratings for informed purchasing decisions. As you manage your watch list, it's important to keep it organized. You may want to prioritize certain items based on your interest or urgency. Periodically check for items that you no longer wish to track. This ensures that your watch list remains relevant and manageable, making it easier to focus on the products that matter most to you. To delete an item from your watch list, first find the product you want to remove. Next, click on the option labeled Remove from Watch List associated with that item. If prompted, confirm the removal action. Upon confirmation, the item should disappear from your list, allowing for a cleaner and more efficient watch list. You can repeat the removal process for any other items you wish to delete. Additionally, keep an eye on notifications for items you are watching, as they can inform you about price changes and auction endings. This proactive approach will enhance your shopping experience on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.